I am Oriel Kyle M. Ramos. My course is BSMT and my section is 2A3. Why did I choose the maritime course? I chose the maritime course because my father once dreamed of becoming a seaman. He studied at the University of Mariners Polytechnic Foundation, but unfortunately, he didn't succeed and he didn't graduated because of his family problems and also on financial problems. I want to pursue my father's dream by becoming a seaman. I want to continue his legacy and I want to fulfill his dreams. Um, how can I show respect on this class? First, by listening to our instructor during his lecture, and second is by behaving during his class, and lastly, by attending in all of our class schedules and by not being late during his class. In 5 years, I see myself as a seaman already and that I already achieved my dream and I can also support my family during that time. Um, what legacy would I choose to be remembered by is that um, finally there is a seaman already in our family and he, there is someone who already reached his dreams by studying hard and by learning, doing his hard work to become a seaman. And I would leave also a legacy that there is someone who already reached all around the world by having a perks of becoming a seaman. And that's all. Thank you, sir.